Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify email delivery from mobile app with SendGrid, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your mobile app and navigate to the section where email verification is implemented. Ensure that you have integrated SendGrid into your application. In your app, generate a unique verification token for each user during the sign-up process. Create an email template that includes the verification link using SendGrid's template editor. Fill in the necessary fields in the email template, including the subject line and body text. Incorporate the unique verification link with the token generated earlier in the email body. Use the SendGrid API to send the verification email to the user's email address. Wait for a response from SendGrid confirming that the email has been successfully sent. Now, check your email inbox for the verification email sent from your application. Click on the verification link in the email. Once clicked, the link should redirect to a designated route in your mobile app. At this point, your application should verify the token and mark the user's email as verified. Implement error handling to manage cases where the token is invalid or has expired. After successful verification, notify the user within the app that their email has been successfully verified. Finally, review the SendGrid dashboard to track email delivery, open rates, and engagement metrics. This will help you ensure that the verification emails are being successfully delivered and opened by users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.